Hello everybody, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today I'm going to show you how to install a set of exhaust tips on your Defender L663. Beware that the 4-cylinder and the 6-cylinder exhausts are different, so you want to make sure you order the correct tips. And there is a slight little trick to putting these on, because if you go like this, they don't fit. I'll show you how to do it. Cue the intro. Okay, we have the tips available in this dual setup. They come in polished silver or a polished black. This would really look good on one of the trucks with all of the nice piano black side cladding. All right, I'm going to use the silver. It's going to match this bumper. And the first thing we're going to want to do is loosen up this hardware right here. It is a 15. I know. Aha! I knew I had it ready. We're going to loosen that up. Take the tension off. Make sure it wiggles a little bit. And then we're going to go to put it on. As you go to put it on like this, because that's the way the exhaust is shaped, it won't fit. It has to do with the radius of the tube. But if you put it on kind of straight, the way you want it to look on the back of the car, it'll slide right on. It's that easy. Then what we're going to do is adjust it here from left to right, make sure it's straight, and then tighten it up and do the same thing on the other side. Also note on the exhaust, there's a little bit of a cutout on this side, and this one extends. That is for the left side, and if it was that way, it would be, well, I can show you. It's wrapped up, but you get the idea. You want that cutout facing the outside of the vehicle. That way it gives the muffler a nice finish. Well, this may be the easiest install video I've done, but I'm still going to go have a beer. And on that, I'll see you guys on the next one.